Hop into the 2021 Hyundai Palisade. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. This boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, cooled front seat, satellite radio. Sophistication meets family-focused flexibility in this can-do Palisade. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.